This is number 30 from the January 2020 Regents. All right, so they're asking me which one has the longest period. So the period of the curve is how many units does it take to complete one curve? So the problem with this question is if I look at the beginning of one curve, if I look from here, I can't see the end of the first curve. I can really only see from maximum to minimum, which would represent half of the curve. But if I know half of the curve, then I know the whole curve. So I'm going to start with A. Okay, so line A is the light gray. So the maximum is over here, which is 60. And the minimum is over here, which is 340. All right, so if I subtract those two numbers, I get 280. So 280 is not the whole period, it's half the period. Just remember that. All right, now I'm going to do line B. Okay, line B is the dotted one. So the maximum is hit at 180. And the minimum is hit at 400. So if I subtract those, I get 220. That's half the period. So that means that the whole period is 440. All right, and my last one is line C. Line C is the solid black. All right, so the solid black, its minimum hits at 60, and its maximum hits at 380, meaning half of the period is 320. So the whole period is 640, making line C the one with the longest period.